Everyone is talking about Seedance 2.0 and GPT Image 2.0, but no one is talking about what happens when you combine them. So I combined and tested it with 8 real-world use cases, and honestly, the results completely blew my expectations. Every single shot you're about to see, from concept to image to full cinematic video, was generated inside Higgsfield AI. One subscription with access to every top model, all in one place. Links in the description. Let's get into it, starting with the first use case, logo animation from Blueprint. All you need to do is upload your brand logo inside Higgsfield AI, make sure GPT Image 2.0 is selected, and enter a simple prompt to generate an animation sheet for a slick logo reveal. This generates a detailed blueprint, basically a storyboard with motion lines and clear animation stages. In our case, it created 8 stages. Next, switch to Seedance 2.0, use the blueprint as reference, enter your prompt, replace zapiwala with your brand, and add blueprint reference in prompt, and set duration to 8 seconds. Moving on to the next use case, creating full multi-shot realistic commercial ads. Just upload your product image and model image with GPT Image 2.0 selected, then enter this prompt. It will generate a complete storyboard with 12 scenes, including actions performed with absolute product and character consistency. Next, switch to Seedance 2.0, choose the storyboard as the reference image, and use this prompt, making sure to include the storyboard reference. Set the exact duration as defined in your storyboard.
Morning light, a quiet moment, your best day. Introducing Lumira Radiance Boost Serum, purely effective. The drop, clean, light-weighted. She presses it in, a moment of calm.
This really looks like a studio-level product commercial, with clean lighting and premium cinematic execution throughout. The model remains consistent across all shots, making the storytelling feel natural and believable. Overall, it feels like a real product commercial, not AI generated. Third use case really excited me. Time freeze cinematic scene generation. You just need to upload your image as a reference, then enter this prompt where we ask Seedance 2.0 to create a high-energy nightclub scene with time frozen mid-chaos using a cinematic visual effect. The focus is on detailed physics, like suspended liquids, lighting, and motion, while maintaining a consistent main character. The scene highlights the contrast between chaotic movement and controlled stillness, followed by a seamless return to reality.
Perfect.
You can see it creates a dynamic nightclub environment and applies a time freeze effect triggered by the main character's snap. All motion, including dancing, lighting interaction, and liquid physics, is paused mid-frame, while only the main character continues moving. A second snap reverses the effect, restoring full motion and syncing everything back into the ongoing scene. Next use case, celebrity entry scene with a continuous shot. To get that celebrity feel, simply use your own image as a reference and enter this prompt to generate an ultra-realistic single-shot airport entry. With a handheld crowd perspective, natural lighting, and a chaotic documentary feel, focus on continuous motion, crowd interaction, and a cinematic exit into a convoy. With immersive realism, you can see it generates a continuous handheld crowd shot, simulating a realistic celebrity entry at an airport. The main character, based on the reference image, remains consistent while security manages the crowd, and the camera naturally struggles to keep focus. Next, amazing use case, generating a Get Ready With Me video of your own. Again, upload your own image with GPT Image 2.0 selected, and enter this prompt. It will generate a detailed storyboard that breaks the outfit into step-by-step frames, starting from the base look and gradually building with layers and accessories. Next, switch to Seedance 2.0, use the storyboard image as a reference, and enter this prompt. where we ask the AI to convert the structured outfit storyboard into a smooth cinematic video sequence. The video follows the storyboard step by step, smoothly building the outfit from base pieces to the final styled look. Next use case, generating videos longer than 15 seconds. Let's say we want to create a longer "Get Ready With Me" video. While generating the storyboard image using GPT Image 2.0, you need to use this prompt. Make sure to mention the number of frames and the total video duration. In our case, we asked for 30 frames and set the duration to 45 seconds. And here's the generated result. You can see the storyboard has 30 frames. Each frame is clearly mapped with its own time range, showing a complete outfit journey from intro to final look. Next, use this storyboard image as a reference and enter this prompt. Just make sure to set the initial frame as frame 1 and the final frame where the duration reaches 15 seconds. In our case, that's frame 10.
Okay guys, I'm so excited to get ready with you all. So today's outfit is just a little bit more of a casual chic look. So I'm going to be starting with this little canvas.
Next, use the same storyboard image as reference and use this same prompt. But now set the initial frame as the next frame after the previous video. That's frame 11. And the final frame where the duration reaches 30 seconds, which is frame 20.
And now for the layer. A belt is key to define the waist. And finally, the bag to complete.
Using the same method, you can generate videos as long as you want and then merge all the clips together. Next use case, generating a long AI vlog. Let's say we want to create an Indian wedding vlog. Simply upload the girls' and boys' images, select GPT Image 2.0, and enter this prompt. Just like the long "Get Ready With Me" video, you need to specify the total number of frames and the overall video duration. For best results, make sure each frame lasts up to 3 seconds, so set the duration accordingly. In our case, we used 45 frames with a total duration of 2 minutes. It then generates an amazing storyboard with 45 frames, covering the complete journey from wedding to honeymoon and return. Each frame is mapped with dynamic timing, showing clear progression from rituals to travel and scenic experiences in Switzerland. It maintains consistent characters, cinematic storytelling, and a smooth flow for a full 2-minute AI vlog. Next, switch to Seedance 2.0 and use the storyboard as a reference image. Then enter this prompt. Set the initial scene as scene 1 and the final scene where 15 seconds is completed. In our case, that's scene 5.
I can't believe this is happening.
Ready for this? Finally? Everything looks perfect.
Repeat the same process for all parts, just like in the long "Get Ready With Me" use case, and finally merge them together. Next use case, long survival ASMR video. I generated this 5-minute survival ASMR video with 100% character consistency using GPT, GPT Image 2.0, and Seedance 2.0. I use the storyboard concept for this, but a single storyboard won't give absolute consistency. We need multiple storyboard parts in a continuous progression. The workflow is very simple. Use this prompt inside ChatGPT to generate multiple connected storyboard parts for a full 5-minute survival time-lapse video, split into 15-second sequences. Each part follows a continuous journey. You can adjust the video duration as needed. ChatGPT will provide text-to-image prompts for all storyboard parts. Copy the prompt for part 1, select GPT Image 2.0, use your character image as a reference, and paste the prompt. It will generate the part 1 storyboard, and you'll see the character remains consistent across all scenes. Next, for part 2, copy the part 2 prompt, and instead of the character image, use the part 1 storyboard as the reference. This continues the sequence from where part 1 ends. Similarly, for part 3, use part 2 as the reference and repeat the process. Using this exact method, you can generate all storyboard parts. Next, switch to Seedance 2.0. upload the part 1 storyboard as a reference, and use this storyboard to video prompt. The prompt remains the same for all parts. We're asking Seedance 2.0 to convert each storyboard into a continuous cinematic time-lapse video while strictly following every frame in order. Repeat the same process by changing only the storyboard reference image to generate clips for all parts. Finally, merge all clips together to create a long survival AI ASMR video. That's it for this video. If you watch till the end, hit the like button and subscribe to support my work. Honestly, Seedance 2.0 combined with GPT Image 2.0 generates amazing results. Every single use case you just saw in this video was created using Higgsfield AI. Why? Because you can access Seedance 2.0 at the cheapest price on Higgsfield. As you can see in the comparison here, if you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. If you want to create a high RPM, low competition Australia Ghibli channel, you can't afford to miss the video mentioned above.